headed to Oak Mountain State Park here in Alabama, and we are on the way. So taking the back roads.
Scenic route.
The scenic route. We have made it to the entrance, and it's $5 per person to get into this state park. So yippee! So now we are in the Oak Mountain State Park. Costs $5 per person. They have a RV park. I believe it's $65 a night. They have a lot of trails, but we are here for the waterfalls and the sightseeing. Oh wow, looks like they even have a golf course here. There's the golf course. And looks like they got a bike path right there. There's the golf course. Wow, it's pretty big. Alright, so this is a sign what they have here. I guess I gotta keep this for our memory, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna want to go right. That's everything I want to see right now.
Here we go. And there's the golf course. And then,
huge golf course.
Yeah, big old golf course. But just found out my brakes are bad on the truck.
Guess who?
Mama Dukes is calling. Alright, 1 second, guys. Wow, look at this. They even got kayaks out here. Kayaking. You guys can kayak out here on this big old lake, it looks like. The little paddle boats and stuff. And then even jet ski out there. Surfboards, paddle boards. Okay, that's one way, that one. And they got the beach down there.
Yep, I think so. It's the right. We're gonna find out. I would think there would have been a sign. I mean, there was a sign back there that said it was this way.
One way, that way.
Oh. Well, that was kind of shady, one way. What's this say? My window's dirty. Service vehicles only. Yep, so back it up. Back it up. But what do we got there? That's pretty. So service vehicles only. And then if we want to go out here, we would have went around where it says one way. Reverse. We don't need to go this way though.
Why?
Because this is just a little loop-de-loo.
Yeah, let's try to find a loop-de-loo. Holy smokes, there we go.
Oh man, it's a mountain.
Oh yeah.
See, told you it's just a little loop-de-loo with some picnic tables.
Yeah, but that's how you get out there though.
Is it?
Yeah, because we walk right here.
Oh yeah, it is. How you get out there.
Little pavilions and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Look at the water.
Yeah, and I have no brakes, so that's a good.
Oh yeah, let's go right in the water. There's all the rentals over there. And then, oh, what is that? A wall over there?
That's a wall.
Oh, that is weird. Oh, look at them houses out there. They're beautiful. I don't think you can see them on this camera. Yeah, you can. All right. This is not the beach. This is just a hangout, cookout area.
That's what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
And there is those houses Nick was talking about up on the hill. Beautiful. Interesting. Doesn't say you can swim in there, so that stinks. That stinks. Oh, there's the beach right there.
shoot.
I told you we're pretty
Oh,
close.
look at that.
We found the beach here in Alabama, in the north, or should I say central, central Alabama. And this is the beach.
Yeah,
Alabama Beach.
Feels like home.
Feels like home. Oh, yep, look, there's your swimming guides right there. See your swimming guides right here? So it doesn't allow the animals or the fish to come in, but it's not a big swimming hole. But hopefully it drops off, but this is how you make the beach. See it?
Yep.
How the lip is,
and
then you put sand.
Do something like
Yep.
that, otherwise it just wash away.
Yep, it'll just wash away.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you make a beach here in Alabama. You put the sand in, and then you put the lip up right there, the wall I should say, to hold the sand in. And this is what we are trying to do at Loveland's Lakeside Camp and Market.
Just a lot smaller.
But it's going to be hella smaller. It's only going to be maybe this corner right here. Not this whole big old set. They even have a volleyball court. That'd be nice to put out there.
Won't fit.
But we're going to put cornhole instead. But yeah, so what we're going to do is have this little corner right here, and that's it. Let's go feel the water. Here we go. Let's go feel the water, and let's go check the sand. Oh, Alabama Beach. Now let's go feel this cold water right here. Oh yeah, it's nice and cold. Holy smokes. But a nice little swim area. Does have just sand, no rocks or anything like that. But it is nice. All right, guys, so we are out here at Oak Mountain. Couple spots that we want to check out. They have a waterfall here. They have the beach that we just conquered, and mountain views. So we're gonna get to there eventually. We have until 7 p.m. But my brakes, I just found out my brakes are going bad. So I gotta try to get those fixed some way, somehow. But we'll see. But anyways, it can't stop us. It can't stop us. We have to keep going. So we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you this lovely park one way or another. All right, so keep on watching. They even have basketball out here and more pavilions. Here's the playground area for the kiddos. Look, somewhere over there.
Somewhere. It's that playground.
Somewhere. Oh, look at that mural. Oh, nice. Trails.
There's cameras on there. All right, Buckeye Pavilion, Cedar Pavilion. All right, those are all the pavilions. Oh, it's the falls. Did it say this way?
We're going up. Gate closes at 7, and we're about to take this 15 miles an hour.
I've never seen a warning sign.
Yeah, warning sign.
We've been up some creepy roads. And none of them
Here
have had
we
warning
go.
signs that tell you how it's narrow. It's beautiful, scenic, but dangerous. Okay? Dangerous. Let's see.
And it says right here, the Falls Road.
Yellow trail. Please stay on marked trail. These are beautiful trees.
Wow.
Beautiful green.
Beautiful.
Springtime.
Yep.
At Oak Mountain. This is about a 40-minute drive from the camp, y'all. 40-minute drive from the camp. So come stay, and you can come here and play.
Yep. I believe we're actually cheaper to stay.
Oh, yeah. You come stay at our camp, and then you come play for the day, you know?
Yep.
You know? Stay cheap at Loveland's Lakeside and go play at all the state parks.
Yep.
There's actually quite a few.
Sorry about the window, guys. Hopefully there's a mountain view. A little creek. Look at that. Beautiful. Up the cliff. Another falling tree.
Oh yeah, those rocks are cool. No, you can't see. Sorry. Look at that big boulder.
Alright guys, we have made it, I think, halfway up the mountain and we're still rolling. We got Nick out in the woods trying to get, she got her camera going. She's trying to get the woods and the other mountain on the other side. But we still have to climb the mountain. And it looks like this is a water washout right here. When it rains, it comes rolling down here. But yeah, just wanted a little pit stop. Let people pass us. Because we had like 4 cars behind us.
I don't know what's over there.
What's over where? Huh?
A trailer or something.
A trailer's over there?
Yeah, something.
Why would there be a trailer back here? Huh? What did we just find? Let's check it out. Something's over there. Oh, there's a road right there. Looks like somebody's house. Yeah, there's a road right there. Looks like marijuana down here, but it's most probably poison ivy. So I gotta get out of here. Oh, look at it. Moss. Ah. Yeah, so that was most probably somebody's house. It seems like there's private property out here on the state property, or the state. So I'm guessing that was like grandfathered in, houses grandfathered in or something. And they have to allow those people to stay on the state property. But yeah, it looks like a trailer back there. But anyways, we're gonna keep on rolling. Let's see where this road takes us. So we took off the trail real quick and we found a bench and some trash cans. and a rock that we can stand on and look right through there, and we can see some of the mountaintops over there.
Where are you going?
Try to get
Why are you tripping?
a better.
Oh, I see a road over there. I see a semi-truck driving on the road.
Where?
Right there. That's a main road. I bet that's the road we came in on.
I don't see it. Oh, where that sign is?
And so that road is on a mountain.
Oh, yep, I see it. There's a sign right there. That's the main road.
Yep, and it's on a mountain.
Yep, right.
And we drive, I don't even know. Oh, it's probably 65. Yeah,
Yep,
'cause
that's
you can
65
see
right
down
there.
the mountains.
You can see it.
Yeah.
But anyhow, yep, got the dreads,
Redhead.
dread a rasta.
Brush that head. Brush that head.
Yeah, now I can breathe. Anyways, so let's get back in the vehicle and head down to the falls. Hopefully we can find these falls.
These are cool rocks.
I think I stepped in some poison ivy. But anyways, let's go. Our second spot that we pulled off to. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Only 40 minutes from the camp, guys. You can come down here or up here and check this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
But you don't even have to go this far. But look at that. Wow, you can see so far. We're so high right now.
Wow.
You can see from miles. Wow.
Beautiful.
It's foggy out there. It's raining.
Yeah, maybe it's raining.
It's raining out there.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, even the different colored trees. I love all the different greens. So we got a good camera coming. So excited. Wish we already had it. And these pictures would be amazing.
What a sight to see right here in Alabama, Oak Mountain. It is 40 minutes away from Loveland's Lakeside Camp and Market. So you can get yourself $45 a night RV spot and come here and pay $5 to get in. That's $50 for a night and this park. And I think the stay here at this park is $65 a night. So you're saving 10 bucks at Loveland's Lakeside Camp and Market. 40-minute drive, and you get this beautiful view. And you don't get this in Florida, folks. Beautiful. 40 minutes away from home. Love it. So here is a couple trails, it looks like. White trail right here. Tells you everything on it. The length is 6 miles on this one. And then this one is called Blue Trail. And this is 6.7 miles. Oh my gosh. I think we went the wrong way. We don't want to go that way. But here is the whole thing right here, guys. The whole thing right here. Found it right here, guys. We're here now. We got to take the Blue Trail down to the falls, and that is the falls.
But there's two different
Waterfalls. Let's just try to get to the waterfall first.
All right, and
Let's
then
go.
it,
So this is the Blue Trail, and it says 6 miles. But it should say on here, like the water should be on here. But it doesn't. But here we go. Let's go. Man, and I did not bring the right shoes. Man. And Nick did not wear the right shoes either.
That's what I said.
Huh. So please, no snakes or crazy stuff out here. We cannot do it. But hey, we got to do it. We got to do it. See? They even mark it blue that way. So we can't get lost. So ride with us. I mean, walk with us. We got to get our walking sticks. They're in storage. Yeah, I know. Man, look at these boulders. Hey, Nick, you're leaving me by myself. I'm scared back here. Hey, I'm fat. Yeah. Hey, but I'll lose some weight doing this if we keep.
Wow, look at that boulder got stopped with those trees.
Oh, what? It did. Over the years, it has stopped just by this tree alone. Man. And it's a dead tree. It's a dead tree.
Oh, jeez.
So that being said.
It's going to fall any day.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's going to suck. Maybe we can go back the other one. I hope they all connect somehow.
The other one went the other way. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, but the white.
Oh, here, look at this. This is so you can
walk.
Yep.
But what I'm saying is the white one looks more flat.
Well, that group of people had walking sticks.
Yeah, they were going the long
boots.
They were going
like,
green
they had the whole shish caboodle.
That's perfect weather.
Oh my gosh, it's excellent weather right now. Springtime in Alabama. Beautiful. Another marking, we're on the right trail. That's good.
Oh, yeah, I didn't notice that.
Yep. So we can't get lost, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so see you guys a little bit closer. All right, so we made it to our first bench of the trail. So that being said, the rest of the way is going to be a truck because I think the bench is for the people coming this way. Because it looks like it's going to be a scary downhill adventure.
Be scary uphill.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Scary.
Yep.
All right.
And then yep, look, it's, oh my gosh, it's so steep. Oh,
yeah,
we got so much. Yeah. We got so much ahead of us. So we'll take our slow time through the rocks in our flip-flops. I knew I should have brought shoes.
I think you're able to see the falls from a driveway or something.
Yeah, it would have. Well, this is
there's a dam.
This is not for handicap.
No, but there is a dam for the lake.
Oh yeah.
So we would have been able to see a smaller waterfall.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I want to see if that treetop hiking thing.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Your socks are gonna get dirty.
Yeah, I see that.
Wow. Oh my goodness, and it makes noises.
Did you hear that? I thought that was a whippoorwill. So I don't know what 26 means. Is that 26 miles? Okay, yep, 26. A quarter of a mile?
Yeah.
That's a far walk, Nick.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Mile marker because it is a total of 30 miles if you were to hike.
Oh my gosh, what? Oh, okay.
If you were to hike it.
I thought that was a front of us, a cave that we have to walk through.
Oh, that would have been cool though. That
would have been awesome. You remember that one cave we went to?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
The dome.
Whoa, there's a frog.
What's it called? The Doman.
Look at that frog.
Oh.
What kind of frog is that?
That's a toad or something.
Yeah, that's a toader. That's a toad. That's an ugly toad.
Robert.
I hear the waterfall. You hear it?
That's an airplane.
You don't hear? It's coming from that way. Oh, there's a squirrel. Hey! Nut liquor? Haha. But if you be quiet for a second, you can hear the waterfall. Huh? I smell pee though, so that means somebody peed out here. That's not good. That's not good. You smell that?
All the people that we've seen, so water sometimes travels.
Yep. When it rains a lot, it will flow right down this hill right here.
That's pretty dry though.
And it's pretty dry. That means there's no water.
So,
Or that could be deer pee though. That could be deer pee or bear pee. No. It's pretty bad, Nick. It's a pretty bad smell. You don't smell that?
A little bit, yeah. It does smell like animal.
That is pretty bad smell. Hoping that there's...
Not like that bad, but...
I mean, it's pretty strong. It looks like a tree fell down here. That's what it was. They cut it all up.
I just sprained my ankle.
That's not good.
I know. I didn't do it.
Another bench.
I think that's the other trail.
That's another bench. I hear the waterfall, folks. I hear it. Yep, it's right down.
I do.
It's right down here. Another bench. And then here it is, 2007 to 2014. For what? For
Reclamation?
Oh, so this is the white trail.
Yeah, that's the white
That's
trail.
the blue trail.
So both, that's what I said. I think this is the other trail.
And then look at this tree that it's right goes over.
Slopes over.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that one might be better to go up. I don't know. It looks like it goes more up right there, and then it might be flatter.
Yeah, maybe. So we'll take that on the way back.
Yeah.
Because we know it goes that way.
And I know it's not longer.
And then this normal is a watering hole right here.
So then you have to walk over the water.
Yep, because that clogged. When that tree went down, it clogged.
Oh, yeah.
So the water will come down through here.
It's supposed to go there, yep.
Yep.
And now it's made its own path.
Made its own pass right through here.
And that's why people walk that way.
Yep. Yeah, because normally it's right in the middle. I hear it, guys. I hear.
The roots make their natural step. The roots from the rock.
Shh. Shh. You hear the waterfall. And jump down. And then the water goes down that way. I found it. I found it. No, I don't find a waterfall. I just find a stream. No. Are you kidding me right now? Where's the waterfall? I found the stream. We're close? Yeah, I know. Look at this. Beautiful. The water goes right through there. Huh? Yeah, a mini. And then a mini one right here too. Right? So, alright, so blue goes that way, white goes this way. Parking that way, falls that way, blue trail that way. Alright.
Alright, we're going to the falls.
We're going to go across the bridge.
Which way's white trail?
That way. White trail goes that way.
Okay, yeah.
And then this is blue trail. This is blue trail. Look at that. That's so cool.
I think that's where the green trail comes in. Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, white trail continues to go. That's why. Yeah, if you want to keep hiking.
Beautiful. I do hear it. I do hear it. I hear it louder. So which way do we go, George? Do we go up this way or do we go that way? Bottom of falls, off blue trail, top of falls, that way.
Whoa.
So that's weird.
Bottom of falls up.
I would think the bottom would be down here.
There's nothing down You keep going that way.
Yeah, we'll go this way.
I mean, there's something down there.
Something down there. But I would think if you go up the hill, you're going to go on top of it. And then if you go on the bottom. Top of falls this way, bottom of falls that way. That's weird. Oh, you feel that cold air? I love it. See, there's waterfall right there. Yep. So this is the top of the falls right here. That's why. Okay, I get it now. In the bottom of the falls, we have to go around this rock. This is the top of it. That's why.
Oh, so the top is right here.
Yep.
Whoa, careful.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, that's nothing. Oh, they're way down there, dude.
We're literally on the top of.
Yeah, but you can't see nothing. You can't see nothing but just right there.
This is the top of the falls?
Yeah. You can't see nothing.
Nada.
So we got to go down there. All right, so we made it to the top where we just showed you where the top was. It was where the bushes are. But now we walked down a little bit, trying to give you guys a better scenery. You still can't see too much, but I'm going to bring you guys a little bit. Right there. Right there's the falls coming down. Right there. And the bottom is all the way down there. So we got to get all the way down there, guys, to get to the bottom of the falls. So see you guys when we get there. Nick, what happened?
I got shit on.
By who?
By a bird. Here, I'm about to wipe it on you.
Oh, you just wiped it on poison ivy.
Oh, well.
Jesus. That you had good luck, and then you just wiped it on a bird. Just flew by, right through here,
All right, let me get to the creek.
and doo-doo right on her.
Ew.
Nick, we got... Oh, man. Funny. Hey, Nick. What's wrong with you?
I just got shit on.
Yeah, that's good luck, Nick. That's good luck. That's good luck, Nick. It better be. But you know what, though? We have no lottery in Alabama. So.
Well, my luck in other areas.
Yeah, true. All right, so we're going to go down.
This is pretty steep.
Yeah, it is. And we got to go this way to get to the creek, to the waterfall. You fell in automatically.
It's ice cold.
Is it ice cold?
Ice cold.
Wow, look at these caves. We made it all the way down to the bottom. I'm iffy on getting to the place because a guy just said there's a copperhead down here and we got flip-flops. So wish us.
I didn't walk all this way for nothing.
Yeah, I didn't walk this way for nothing either. Holy smokes. Just get a stick. Hiya, hiya, hiya. But they said I was by the falls. Hiya, hiya.
Yeah, he said over by the falls.
We're not there yet. Oh, see, we're still on the white trail. See it? Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man, we're there. We're getting there. Ow. Holy cow, look at that. That is beautiful. Holy cow. just so cold. Yeah. Yeah, right? Oh. Beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's some freezing water. Nick, you want to go in? That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that's the beauty of it, you know? That whole trip for this right here. It's amazing. But they say it's even more powerful when it rains. Like it fucking boom. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, man. Right. Just awesome. Awesome. So cool. So cool. Nick is in the water. Now you gotta duck yourself. Go. Yeah. Be careful on that snake.
The feeling you get after that freezing pool is like
Breathtaking. All right. All right, guys, we have made it back on the Blue Trail. We had to climb Mount Everest to get out of there, but we got it. We have 1 hour until the park closes, and we're 1.5 miles to get out of here before we get to the truck. So hopefully we can get there in time. If anything happens, I will document it, but we'll see. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it to the truck. About an hour later, we are cutting it dry. People are saying, hurry up, hurry up. Even the planes are out looking for us. I mean, come on now, we gotta go. Don't forget to hit the like button and the share button. We love to give you guys great videos like this, and really appreciate. Hit that like button, guys. And again, until the next adventure like this and the next video and update, see you guys on the next one. Later, y'all. Everybody else wrote down, so I guess everybody jumps off the bridge. I'm gonna jump off too. So beautiful. What do you see? Wow, okay. Birmingham. Over. Wow. Birmingham is right there. All those lights are. So beautiful out. Yeah. Love you.
Love you.
Always checking these awesome places out. Bring your loved one out. Spend the day. Bring a family member. Spend it today right here at Oak Mountain here in Alabama.
And know we love you.
And know. What?
that we love you.
We love you. Know that we love you.
If you don't have someone.
If you don't have anyone to go walk on a trail like
Come with
this,
us.
come with us. Enjoy it. Because we love you. And I still have paint on me from working. Great. But what a view this is.
So beautiful.
Good night, y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.